Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix camera not focusing. In the beginning, prepare microfiber and clean lenses of your camera. Once the lenses are clean, enter the camera app and try focusing manually. You can also go to settings and restore camera settings to default. This should fix camera lens not focusing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.